Hey everyone, welcome to UIC School of Design. My name is Evelyn and I'm the college recruiter for the UIC College of Architecture, Design and the Arts. And I'm excited to take you inside this incredible, creative, dynamic space where you'll be making and producing your own art. Let's go inside. The School of Design is housed in the Architecture and Design Studios building. Both our design and our architecture students share a lot of the same resources in the building, including places like the Project Lab and the Fabrication Lab, or as we like to call it, the Fab Lab. But we'll see a little bit more about those spaces later. Here we are on the first floor of our School of Design. We have lockers where you can keep your personal stuff between classes. Back here are where some of our graduate studios are. In addition to our undergraduate programs, we also offer master's degree programs in the school as well. So all of our students work and study and learn together. And there are lots of communal spaces for that to happen throughout the School of Design as well. Student work is always up on these walls. You can see a great example of it here. Also, you'll see posters on these walls announcing things like scholarship opportunities or internship opportunities that you can apply for. But you'll also get emails about these opportunities as well, so don't worry. Now we're gonna head inside of one of our studio classrooms here in the School of Design. You'll notice one cool thing about our spaces here at the School of Design. In our studio classes, we work totally on communal tables. This is really to promote the studio atmosphere and collaboration between our students. And each table is fully equipped with all the tech that you'll need to plug in your laptops. Laptops are key here in the School of Design, and you're gonna use them for almost all of your classes. We have a studio culture here in the School of Design, which means we work actively to promote one-on-one connection between faculty and student, also collaboration with your peers. As the director of our school, Marsha Lawson, puts it, in each studio, we seek to achieve and maintain an atmosphere of mutual respect for and interest in each other's ideas. Studio culture supports creativity and invention with a focus on critical exchange and the perfection of craft. The School of Design has 2 floors, and the main space is used as a collaborative area for students to get together and learn and work. It's also used to display student work, as you can see here in our year-end show. The annual year-end show is a huge event that's a combined event with both the School of Design and the School of Architecture. This showcases studio work throughout the year of our students as well as thesis projects. The year-end show is also a fantastic networking opportunity to connect you to the professional community while you're still in school. Other unique spaces in the School of Design include the Design Photography Studio, as well as faculty offices that are both in the space itself as well as around the corner, where there's the full administrative offices for both the School of Architecture and the School of Design. Let's head down this upstairs hallway where you can see more student work displayed. Here are some more examples of what our students are up to, both in industrial design and graphic design. Earlier, I mentioned the shared spaces of the Project Lab and the Fab Lab. You can check out the Project Lab in action here. And guess what? You don't need to know how to use anything in this space. We're gonna teach you everything you need to know. We'll teach you how to build your models and use whatever materials you may need to create. For design students, you'll also have access to your very own design print lab. But instead of me talking about it, I'm gonna let Daniel, the print lab manager, tell you all about it. Here he is.
Hi, this is Daniel Mellis, the print lab manager for the School of Design, and I'd like to introduce the lab to you. With more than just printers, it is a central hub for many different technologies and student support located right next to our classrooms. Of course, the primary use of the lab is for printing, and we have 2 office-class color laser printers, as well as 2 top-of-the-line Epson 24-inch inkjet printers. We also have a 2-color risograph machine that's great for experimenting with color and producing publications. What's more, we still have our letterpress shop from the late 1960s with over 300 cases of metal and wood type. The print lab also has a range of bookbinding tools and other technology and equipment that students can use and check out, including laptops, cameras, and digital drawing tablets. It also provides access to the school's photo studio and to licenses for 3D modeling and rendering software, Rhino and KeyShop.
As for the Fab Lab, here's Christian, your Fab Lab specialist, to tell you all about this amazing facility.
Hi, I'm Christian Wojcicka, and I will be your Fab Lab specialist. In the Fab Lab, you have access to 4 laser cutters to prototype your designs, and also commission 3D prints of your digital models using one of our 5 machines. One of the proctors, or myself, can also assist in any questions you have regarding how to execute your project.
And that brings us to the end of our tour. Thank you so much for joining us today to see inside the wonderfully dynamic spaces where our designers create in the UIC School of Design. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to welcoming you to UIC. For more information, check out design.uic.edu or kata.uic.edu. Thank you.